Read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. Respected teachers, how are you? Me Sayyida Maryam Naqvi from the Moonlight International Publishers. What are the expected learning outcomes of today? The student is expected to identify the uppercase and lowercase letter A, learn the words that start with the sound of A, and learn the formation of the letter A, capital A and small a. Today, we will teach them how to write it, how to pronounce it, and its vocabulary words. So, how you will teach them? Start from the dot, come slant down, start from the dot, come in other, slant down, make sleeping line. It will make capital A. Start from the dot, make semicircle, go up, come straight down, make a loop. It will make small a. The letter name is A. The sound of A is A. And its action, as you know before it, apple. Vocabulary words, a, aeroplane, ant, abacus, almonds. After that, we will show them the story and at the end, act of kindness. We will teach to the students, share your lunch with a friend because sharing is caring. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.